Hi everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to install and update the Realtek audio driver on Windows 11 or Windows 10. We'll guide you step by step so you can easily download and install the latest version on your computer. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech videos. To do this, right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Once the Device Manager opens, expand the Sound section. Here, you will see either High Definition Audio Device or Realtek Audio. Right-click on it and select Properties. Then go to the Driver tab and check the driver date so you can compare it later after updating. Now open any web browser on your computer and search for Realtek. From the search results, make sure you open the official Realtek website. Once the website loads, look at the left side and open the menu. Then click on Downloads. After that, select Computer Peripheral IC, and on the next screen, choose PC Audio Codecs. Now under Subcategory, select High Definition Audio Codecs. You will see multiple options listed here, so always choose the latest version available at the top. Click on the Software option and a new page will open. Here, select a 64-bit driver for Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10, which also works perfectly on Windows 11. Then click on the option to agree and proceed with the download. You may be asked to accept terms, enter your email, and complete a CAPTCHA. Once done, click on Download and the file will start downloading. The file size can be large, so wait for it to complete. After the download is finished, open the file and follow the on-screen instructions. Simply keep clicking Next and complete the installation process. Once installation is complete, restart your computer. After restarting, go back to Device Manager, open the audio device properties again, and check the Driver tab to confirm that the driver date has been updated. If this video helped you solve the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others facing the same issue. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.